Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon to Dr. Awanis and fellow colleagues. SME in manufacturing sector plays a significant role in Malaysian economy. However, its current ESG practices and readiness are not well understood. This lack of understanding hinders the industry's ability to contribute effectively to Malaysia's low-carbon economic goal. This research aims to address this gap by assessing the current ESG practices and readiness and examining the barriers and enablers to potentially enhance SME in manufacturing sector's ESG adoptions. Hence, the topic of my research is assessment of ESG readiness of small and medium enterprise in manufacturing sector to support Malaysia's low carbon economy. Brundtland Report 1987 has signifies the value of sustainable development, that is to ensure the future needs are not being compromised by what we are doing today. Since then, global business is continuously transformed with increasingly emphasis on environmental, social, and governance or ESG considerations. ESG criteria have evolved from an ethical guidance to become integral part of business strategies, operational practices, and impacting organization long-term sustainability and competitiveness. The momentum behind ESG movement globally has reached our shore. In 2016, Bursa Malaysia have made mandatory for all public listed companies to disclose their sustainability initiative in annual report. And in 12th Malaysian Plan, the government have pledged to be a carbon neutral country as early as 2050, which then changed to net zero commitment. This commitment requires all economic sectors, including manufacturing, to reconfigure their respective strategy to ensure Malaysia is on track to achieve the goal. Government has since published master plan and roadmap for Malaysia to become a low-carbon economy country. This includes Phase 1 of National Industry ESG Framework to bolster ESG practices among manufacturing organizations, in particular SME. SME in Malaysia is defined as a company that have sales turnover of not more than RM 50 million or having fewer than 200 employees. SME is a backbone of Malaysia economy, with 37.4% of GDP contribution coming from SME. SME within the manufacturing sector played a crucial role. 76.9% of SME exports are coming from manufacturing sector, and they provide 46.2% of total SME workforce. This role of SME is not only true in Malaysia, but it is also observed in other countries. Despite the significant role of SME in Malaysia economy, ESG practices and readiness of SME in Malaysia manufacturing sector are less understood. Although there are literature related to sustainable manufacturing practices in Malaysia, study on SME's practices appear to be limited. Many literature tend to focus on large organizations, on financial investment, and focusing only on social aspect. There are research from other regions or sectors, and their main driver for ESG adoptions for SME are strict regulation and due to market demand. Lack of understanding on the ESG practices and readiness may hinder the industry ability to effectively contribute to Malaysia's low-carbon economic goal. Hence, study of ESG adoption by SME in manufacturing sector is important. I have listed two research objectives. The first research objective is to assess the current level of ESG practices and performance of SME in manufacturing sector in Malaysia. Research objective 2, to examine the barrier and enabler of ESG adoption faced by SME in manufacturing sector in Malaysia. From the research objective, I have outlined 4 research questions to gain deeper understanding on subject matters. The first research question is, what is the current level of ESG practices and performance of SME in manufacturing sector in Malaysia? Research question 2, what are the most common barriers faced by SME in Malaysian manufacturing sector when adopting ESG practices? Research question 3, what are the key enablers that can facilitate ESG adoption among SME in the Malaysian manufacturing sectors? And question 4, how effective are government policies and regulation in promoting ESG adoption among SME in Malaysian manufacturing sectors? I hope by addressing the research questions, I will be able to meet the objective of this research and will be able to understand ESG readiness of small and medium enterprise in manufacturing sector to support Malaysia's low carbon economy. Thank you very much.